In a classification task, you need to classify the information you read in the passage. In other words, you need to sort statements or features into different categories. There are always 3 categories, and these categories are of the same type. For example, 3 time periods or 3 different countries. Sometimes there is a both or neither category. For example, A, men, B, women, C, both men and women. You're also given several numbered statements or features. Each category is given a letter, so on your answer sheet you need to write a letter, A, B or C. Let's take a look at a classification task. Always be sure to read the instructions first. Here they are. Classify the following events. Listed here as 1 to 6, as occurring at one of the time periods listed. Here as A, B and C. As you can see, in this task, the 3 categories you've been given are time periods. As you read through the text, you need to work out during which time period each event occurred. Start with event number 1. The valley was named Wadi al-Hitan. If we take a look at the text, we can find that information here and a time reference, the early 1990s. That means the naming of the wadi fits into category C, between 1990 and the present. On the answer sheet, I would write C. Then it is time to move on to statement 2. As you scan the passage for information about the thigh bone, you may come across information for another question. Aha! Here is the information I need for number 6. I'll circle it so it's easy to come back to later. It is important to note that in classification tasks, the questions will not be in the same order as you read them in the passage. So it's a good idea to circle information that you'll need later. And some letters or categories may be used more than once, while some letters may not be used at all. Remember, even if you are unsure, always give an answer. You won't lose marks if the answer is wrong, and you may just get it right. Now, why don't you take a moment to review the tips for doing a classification task?